In this video, I'm going to show you what you can do when you have a really worn pivot hole at the arbor for an hour, half-hour strike. Hey guys, in this video I want to show you a little trick here. So if you look here at this bushing, it's very worn. You can see there's a lot of space on this side, and it's round here. So this bushing goes in this direction when force is applied from the spring, and over time it has caused all of this wear and it's locked in there. So one can replace this bushing and recenter it so that it's round again. But another quick trick that you could do if you didn't have the ability to bush it, or you didn't want to, you could actually grab a hold of this bushing with vice grips, get a good grip on it, and you can actually rotate this bushing 180 degrees. So this round edge that is not worn is what contacts the pivot, so that the clock will run for at least as long as it ran before, because that's the point of contact. It's not going to wear on this side, it's going to wear right here. So if you turn the bushing around, the clock will run just fine. So just a quick recap, guys. If you don't have the ability to bush one of these arbor bushings on an hour, half-hour strike, you can use this trick. You can rotate that bushing 180 degrees. You can mark one side of it with your screwdriver or scoring device. Grab it real tight with some vice grips, rotate 180 degrees, and then you're good to go. That clock will run just fine.